Hello. Hi. I'm here again. Hello, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again. Lois Nichols. Welcome, 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 welcome. Today, guess what? You know when I'm like this, something is coming, something is cooking. Can you guess? Let me turn the camera so you can see. What are we doing? Unboxing. I got carried away, guys, and you can see I've already opened this one because I got carried away. I've opened this one, I got carried away, and I remembered, oh my gosh, I normally like share this with my viewers, my subscribers, and anyone stumbling on this channel. You know what to do. Please, if you watch my posts, my videos, and everything, you know what to do, don't you? Click that subscribe button, okay? Like our posts, like our videos, and give us that subscribe. Yeah? Anyways, so let's go on. So, guys, I've opened this, and I got carried away. I'm like, no, 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 no. I must share the excitement as I always do, okay? So, this one is still sealed, as you can see. This one is still sealed. Well sealed. I haven't opened this. You can see. All right, so let's get cracking. Let's see what is inside. You know what I'll do? To make it easier for me, I'll just take this off, okay? Lovely, lovely. I'm getting so excited with this unboxing. Is becoming so regular, so frequent, okay? But I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Who doesn't love Atomy products? Who doesn't love the products we distribute on this channel? Who doesn't love? Please, if you love my product demo, leave me a comment. If you've watched any of my product demos, please leave me a comment. That will spur me on, encourage me to do more videos for you. Don't just watch and run away. When you watch a video, please put a like on the video, and subscribe if you want to. If you want to, yeah. Why not? Don't just watch my video and run away. I see the views. Some people, they watch and they forget to like because they just watch the video, they enjoy it, and that's it. They enjoy the video and then they just walk away. Not too good. When you watch a video and you enjoy it and you learn one or two things from the video, it's nice to just share. Not even share now, we're talking about nice to just click on that like button and like the video. All right, we got there in the end, so we've got this out. Whew. Let's see what we have here. Oh, oh my God, I've got Segmodern hair tonic. Segmodern hair tonic. A herbal hair tonic that promotes hair growth, increases the thickness of your hair, and prevents hair loss. It's made from a whole lot of herbs. I've done a demo on this, so if you scroll down and look at my videos, you will see the Segmodern hair tonic. I've done a video on it where I showed you how to use it. I showed you all the components, that make it's just a mixture of herbs. I mean, roots of herbs. In my last video I done it, so I'm not going to go into it. It's on this channel. Go scroll down and watch it. Promotes hair growth, increases the thickness of the hair, and also prevents hair loss. So if you are losing hair on your edges, ladies, this is one of our main problems because of everything we put on our head anyway. So feel free. This is a good one. Man, if you're going bald in the center of your head, you don't need to leave yourself to go bald. Take one of these. Slap it up with one of these. All right? Segmodern hair tonic. A herbal hair tonic. All plant-based. Again, can you go wrong? So that's that. What else do I have here? What else do we have here? Let me check. What else do I have here? Oh my days. Sephora Queen! Sephora Queen. I love the name. Sephora Queen. When you hear Queen, you know that this is for my ladies, don't you? Sephora Queen. And you are a queen, all right? This is for premenopausal and menopausal stages of life, you know? So you don't get overwhelmed by all the symptoms that come with menopause, so that you can manage your menopause properly, so that you can breathe. Menopause is not the end of the world, ladies. So this one is a good one, very good one, very good one. Sephora Queen. If you know anybody who has been depressed, or they've not been able to manage menopause, and you know, even for pre-menopausal stage, like you know you're going into menopause and you really want to be okay, you don't want to have all them symptoms and everything that comes with it, start taking Sephora Queen, because you are a queen, all right? So I'll do a demo on this. I haven't done a demo, but I will do a proper demo on this. But yeah, that's just what it is. Sephora Queen. Apparently, this is somebody's order. This is gone now. It's somebody's order. Woo! Sephora Queen. Let's go. The next one. What do we have here? Oh, Atomy'S Stomach Health Care. Stomach Health Daily Care. This one, they come in sachets. Sorry, I can't open this one because it's somebody's order. Actually, it's gone. It's gone, as in gone. So yeah, it's for daily health stomach care. Okay. And I think they come in sachets. Don't worry, I'm going to do a demo on this so you see it later. Yeah? I'm going to do a demo. And this is iron. This is iron, okay? Iron, best products in the market. Quote me anywhere. I love my iron. I love Atomy'S iron. It's so good, you know. I will be doing a demo on this again later, all right? Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is the one I really love. My God, look at this. I think it's the balance. Yes, the Atomy'S balance. All you Weight Watchers, all you who want to lose weight, all you who want to look good, all you who are doing all sorts of damn exercises and everything to keep yourself fit, to keep yourself in tune, to keep yourself, on trend, to be trendy. This is the one to go for, okay? It's like a full meal, basically, you know? And I'm also going to do a demo on this very soon, all right? I'm doing a demo of I bought this for myself because I'm also on a program and on a weight loss journey, you know? I'm shedding every day, taking off all the COVID weight, and I'm still, working at it, you know? So this one is for me, all right? I bought it to actually try out, and I will also be doing a demo on this, okay? This is Atomy'S Balance Life. So I'm going to just take this out of the way. Oh, I don't know if everybody's as excited as I am when I'm opening good organic products, plant-based products that are non-toxic, herbal, made from pure natural ingredients. When I know I cannot go wrong, why am I not going to be happy? When I know I'm not going to be, I can't be wrong using Atomy'S products. Okay, now what is the next one? Let's look at this. Look, guys, it's sealed. I've not even looked at this one properly. It's still got all the tags and everything, see? So my dear customers that have been waiting, your products have arrived, okay? Your products have arrived, okay? And they will be with you shortly. Shortly, okay? Let's look at this. Wow, how do I start? Let's go. We're not going to muck around, okay? We're just going to go for it. Oh, dear. I really should be standing to do this, Sorry, guys. I was just feeling lazy. I should be standing to do this. Okay, that's it. It's better when I'm standing. Don't mind me. I was just feeling lazy. I just finished a presentation. I just had a Zoom presentation. And it took a while, This scissors is sharp, I almost hurt myself there. But it's fine. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. Ooh, yes. Yeah, guys, look. Woo, woo, woo. I know you're like, what is inside? We don't even know what is inside. My cafe Arabica, the best coffee you will ever take in your life. Atomy'S Cafe Arabica. Oh my God, I didn't realize it was so big. Wow, this is actually for me. Okay, I didn't realize it was so big. And enjoy the rich and mild flavors of 100% Arabica coffee beans. Oh, I love this. I just know I'm gonna love this. Oh my God. You know how I got interested in this product, yeah? I went for a program. It was one of our success academies, that I went for. And they served this, it was on the table for us to use for our coffee, whatever you want to take. So I said, okay, let me even try this. My goodness, when I tasted it, I was asking my team members that were sitting around me, they came also for the program. I was like, what is this? And it's like, this the coffee, Arabica coffee, it's one of Atomy'S products. I'm like, I know I've heard of it, but I've never really been interested. But I've just tasted it. It's so good. I'm going to get it, And immediately after the conference, I took it, I went online, I searched for it, okay? And then here I am. So if you want yours, it's just a free registration online, and you can get this straight to your doorstep, okay? I know I'm gonna love this. I just know 200 packets of 100% Arabica coffee beans. Oh my God, I know I'm gonna love this. I just know. Oh dear, where do I put this now? Let me keep it here so we can go on. Guys, ethereal oil patch! My oil patch has arrived! Oh God! Oh, have you ever seen somebody so happy over some products being opened? Oh my God! This is my ethereal oil patch. Guess what? Oh my God! My top seller, both in UK, Nigeria, Africa, all over. People asking for this product. I mean, you've got pains in your joints. Slap it with one of these patches and it's gone. You've got a headache. Put a patch here. Cut two like tiny pieces. Put one here. Put one here. Headache gone. You've got knee pain. Put one of these patches round your knee. Pain gone. I've used it. I love it. And I always make sure I have at least a pack at home. Okay, it has, I think, 55 patches inside, but people who have used it, this is something you don't start telling people, oh, this is what it does, this is what it's people who have used it, that word of mouth, spreads this like a wildfire. So people who have used it are the ones that are recommending it to people. So I just get the phone calls, and they're like, that patch, they call it patch, that patch you got for me. I've got a neighbor who wants it. I've got a colleague at work who wants it. I give him one patch, he tried it, and he says he likes it, and then they're running after me, chasing me. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I have more? Yeah, I have one more. I actually have one more. I've got 5 ethereal oil patches. Oh my gosh. Guess what? It's gone. It's gone. It's for people, my customers. It's gone. If you want yours, all you need to do is send me a DM. My details are under the comment section, under this video, like my WhatsApp number. So feel free to send me a WhatsApp. And to know more about this, I will send you all the product information, product details you want to know. And then we kick from there. Remember, it's just a free online registration. You go online, register free, and you can shop in the comfort of your own home. I don't have to be there. You just do your shopping as you would normally do in any website, okay? So give me a call or send me a DM and let's rock and roll ethereal oil patch. Anymore? Oh, I've got one more box. I told you, I've got one more box. I've got one more box. Where do I put this? Let me take this off so you can. One more. See? Sealed. One more. Let's get on with it. We're not gonna waste time on this. Let's get on with it. One more. What do I have here? Oh. Alaska Omega-3. Best fish oil you ever buy in the world. Made from high concentrated fish oil from special of fish in the Alaska waters. Hey! Ooh, I love this.